Hi there. A lot of people asking us how to add a pattern swatch on the Shopify product page. So it's very easy. We have a very easy solution for that. So you can just open up our text box Textify app and you will click the button Create Field. Now you will find the option Product Options. You can just click on that. You can go now furthermore to Swatches. We can first of all enter also a unique name, for example, Swatches 1. And now I can show to you how easy it is to create your custom pattern swatches. You can now click on the pencil. You can add, for example, 3 swatches if you have 3 different patterns you want to show. For example, I have a red pattern, a yellow pattern, and a green pattern. So what we're now going to do is we can also add the image. So I will go here. I have now, first of all, the red pattern. I have also the yellow pattern. So what we're now going to do is we will click Add Image, Yellow Pattern as well. This is the yellow pattern. And if we will now move on and also will directly choose the green pattern, so I will do so. So now all of these patterns are uploaded. We can click the Save button. Then they will also show in the preview. Let us go back to the pencil. We can also decide in what kind of size we want to show them. So for example, let's say medium, safe. This is a nice size. We can also decide if we want to show it in a different kind of shape. For example, let's say we want to show it in a square. I will turn it on, save it to overtake it. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Let us now also say we want to pre-select one, for example, the red one. I will click Save, okay. Now the first one is pre-selected. What else we can do? We can click on the pencil again. Let's also say we want to allow multi-selection. That's also great if I have different kind of patterns which can be mixed. So in my case, this is fine. So let us click Save and also save to create that pattern. Swatch. Let us also do one more thing. So I will click on Edit again. We will also define on which product this should appear, because right now it was selected on all products by default. So we want to show it just on our test products. So I have selected these products. I will go to Choose Product, enter Test Product, the name of my product. We'll click Add, click Save. And now what we're going to do is, you see it's getting generated and saved. And now what we're going to do is we can go back to the product page. So now we're on the test product. I can refresh it, and what we're going to see is that our color swatches, they will show, our pattern swatches will show here accordingly. So now you see there's also the multi-selection enabled, so our end customer can now enable different kind of patterns which you want to have selected. And once this is done, they can just add it to cart and it will be submitted so that you know what kind of patterns they have selected. That's how easy it is to add pattern swatches to your Shopify product page.